Hey guys, so today I am going to be reviewing this 12-inch Kinky Straight 12-inch bob from OmgQueen. So I'm going to start off by, first of all, putting her on a mannequin head and blow drying her because I want to get her as straight as possible. Now, she doesn't have a lot of density, so I don't have to worry about her being super thick, but she has the perfect amount of density, so I love that. It's 150% density, but it's not a lot. Typically with this type of texture, the hair can be overpowering, but it's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her out. I'm going to straighten her on a mannequin head just to make sure I get every strand with heat, and then I'm going to put her on. And this wig straightened and turned out so beautiful. Now it's time to put the wig on. Hairline is amazing. HD lace is already blending into the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this hairline because it is definitely giving right now. So the knots already come pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing anything. And of course, as you can already see, the hairline is slightly plucked, and I love it. So the texture, as I already mentioned, is a kinky texture, and the density is perfect on this wig. So I am going to go ahead and remove the lace just because it's covering my eyebrows and it's just way too much lace right now. So because of the texture of this wig, I wanted to stick with the natural look. I did not want to do any baby hairs. I really wanted to focus in on the hairline. I feel like the hairline is absolutely gorgeous on this wig. So no baby hairs, but because I use hairspray on my wigs to secure my wigs, I want to Of course, take out the baby hairs or take out some hairs around my hairline and apply the hairspray directly on my lace. This avoids the hair or the hairline to become crunchy. So like it avoids the hairline from becoming crunchy. It's just pulling out some of those hairs and using an edge brush and pushing the product actually on the lace and into the hairline. And of course, if you want baby hairs, you can definitely add it. Now, for this particular look, I am going for a bust down middle part because I just feel like it's only right with the texture of this wig. It's so beautiful. It's so bouncy, y'all. Like the density, I continue to say that, but it's so true. The density on this wig is perfect. OmgQueen nailed it. But this texture, this kinky texture, girl, it can be so much hair at times because companies will give me like a 200 density wig. And I'm like, y'all, this is way too much hair. So that's why I really blow dry and straighten the hair at the beginning because I'm thinking like, girl, this is going to be just way too much hair for me. I'm going to be walking around looking like Lion King. But it's really not a lot of hair, so I'm not mad at all. I'm so not tripping. But yeah, girl, so um, pulling out those hairs and securing my wig that way definitely allows me to really get into the hairline on the wig, and it just, helps me really secure the wig or whatever. So anyways, I am just going in, straightening the wig one more time, making sure the wig is flat, just making sure it's going to really give a nice install, basically. That's what I'm doing here. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. I forgot to mention that adding a headband helps the lace melt down into the skin, and it also helps ensure that, the wig is more secured as well. So those baby hairs or the hairs that I pulled out to actually secure the lace, I'm just brushing those hairs back into the hairline. And as you can see, the hairline is perfect and the wig is not going anywhere, honey. So once I get that squared away, I'm just going to basically put some concealer in that part and I'm good to go. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to leave my hair alone because ain't nothing changing. Everything is pretty much looking the same, but y'all, this wig is so gorgeous. It literally looks like my hair but pressed out. The texture is so soft. It looks so natural. The hairline looks so good. I'm so glad I went the route of not doing the baby hairs because it would have took away from the entire look. Again, you definitely can do baby hairs. I'll probably do baby hairs on my next install. But for today's look, I just really wanted it to be clean and simple. And I just really wanted, the hairline to show on this wig. And just look at how beautiful and full the texture is on this wig. And that's why I really do like this kinky texture. But I just don't like it to be super thick because I just feel like I got to do way too much to like get the hair to be somewhat soft and manageable. So I love me a low density wig, and OmgQueen really do get me, so love them. So I feel like when it comes to hairstyles, the hardest decision for me personally is choosing between the middle part or a side part. So because I could not decide, I said, you know what, let me just do a middle part for the first half of the install, and then I will do a curved part or a side part and see which one I vibe with the most. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on my curved part, straighten my hair, and I'll be back. So as you can see, for my side part, I did decide to add one baby hair or edges because I feel like it just looked better to me. The side part was giving a little wiggy look, but not a whole lot. So it definitely just depends on how you decide to style your side part, on if you need, edges or not on the wig. But honestly, it's just something that I decided to do with this particular look of this wig. So one thing that I liked with both of these looks is the fullness in both looks. Now I feel like if I would have went the straight wig texture like, I wouldn't have got the same look because the texture is more on the bone straight side. So I don't know, y'all, which one y'all like? Y'all like the side part or the middle part? I'm leaning more towards the straight part, but I also like the curved part. So I don't know, y'all. Both looks is absolutely gorgeous, but overall, OmgQueen, the hair is beautiful. The lace is absolutely melted like hell, and the pre-plucked hairline has been plucked to perfection. So all of the details, purchasing information, coupon codes, all that good stuff will be below in the description bar. And of course, y'all know I love y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.